Yesterday was my mother's birthday. She wasn't around because, like I told you guys, she's a chef. She cooks for people in their parties, and all that. So let me show you guys. Today she just got everything back from where they went to cook yesterday. So now I wasn't able to give her the gifts, you understand, the birthday gifts that I bought for her day before yesterday against yesterday. So she's at the back right now. Let's go and give her the gifts. I forgot to add the fact that we already gave her a good amount of money yesterday, you understand? So I already did the transfer for her. I totally forgot about that. So today I can't wait to do my mother a very beautiful makeup and see what she looks like in it, you understand? Like, I will bring out my time and show my little makeup skill, guys. So I wasn't able to give you gifts yesterday, so I brought it for you.
Thank you.
Open the gift now. Let's see.
Wow. This is lovely. Yeah.
So this is from I and my husband.
Thank you. God, thank you.
Hope you will love it.
Wow, I love it very well.
So wishing you a happy, long life and everything.
Thank you.
Enjoy your gift. So the next thing now is I would like to make you up and take you nice pictures. So I'll be in my room. When you're ready, you let me know. I'll come out.
Okay.
And do you the makeup.
Thank you.
Let's get out some beauty out of you.
I appreciate it.
Let me have my bag. Thank you.
Maybe the bag come with the property.
I need the bag. Thank you. Bye bye.